If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny text or struggling to see important details in a PDF, today's video is for you. I'll be walking you through all the best ways to zoom in using Adobe Acrobat so you can read, review, or annotate your documents without missing a thing. By the end of this tutorial, not only will you know every zooming trick in the book, literally, your Acrobat workflow will feel smoother and way more comfortable. Let's jump in and see how we can zoom in using Acrobat and get up close with whatever you're working on. The first and perhaps most straightforward method is using the toolbar buttons. If you look near the top of the Acrobat window, you'll see a little plus, and minus button. These are your digital magnifying glasses. Every time you hit that plus button, you inch the magnification a bit higher, making everything on the page just a bit bigger and easier to read. Between those two buttons, there's a text box showing your current zoom percentage. Here's a quick tip. You can actually click inside this box and type in the exact zoom level you want. So if 150% feels just right to you, go ahead and type it in. This is great if you're switching between documents that require different levels of detail, or if you want consistency for presentations or side-by-side comparisons. Now, for those of you who like to keep your hands on the keyboard and move fast, Acrobat gives you several keyboard shortcuts. To zoom in instantly, just press Ctrl and the equals sign, Ctrl plus X on Windows, or Command and equals CMD plus X on Mac. It's a small movement, but you'll immediately see the page magnify. If you want to zoom out, use Ctrl plus minus, Ctrl plus, or Command plus minus, CMD plus. These shortcuts are perfect if you're toggling through dense documents or when you want to avoid interrupting your focus to look for a button. Just keep in mind, the keyboard shortcuts work only when Acrobat is the active window. A couple of other keyboard tricks are worth knowing. If you want to see the entire page, maybe to get a sense of layout, or review how different elements fit together, press Ctrl plus 0, Ctrl plus 0, or Command plus 0, CMD plus 0. That will resize your document to fit exactly within your window, no scrolling necessary. And if you ever want to get back to the standard 100% size for precise editing, just hit Ctrl plus 1 or Command plus 1. These are especially handy if you're prepping something for print, since 100% lets you see things as they'll actually appear on paper. Suppose you have a mouse with a scroll wheel. Acrobat lets you zoom almost without thinking. Just hold down Ctrl or CMD, if you're on a Mac, and roll the wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. It's intuitive, nearly effortless, and feels a lot like adjusting binoculars. If the buttons and keyboard shortcuts seem a little slow for you, this method is all about speed and fluidity. Don't worry if your hands get mixed up at first. It becomes muscle memory very quickly. For those moments when you need to zero in on a single detail, say a figure in a chart or a paragraph in tiny print, the Marquee Zoom tool is a game changer. Go to View, hover over Zoom, and select Marquee Zoom. Now, your cursor becomes a magnifying glass with a plus sign. Just click and drag a box around the part of the document you want to magnify. When you let go, Acrobat will zoom straight into that area, filling your screen with the selection. It's like drawing a frame around the spot you want to study, to focus instantly without fuss. And if you want even more control, Acrobat offers Pan and Zoom and the Loop tools. These open up an extra window where you can highlight part of the document with a movable box and see a magnified view side by side. On Windows, simply head to the hamburger menu, choose View, Zoom, and select either Pan and Zoom or Loop Zoom. On Mac, you'll find the same options under the View menu. These tools are fantastic if you're comparing two areas at once or examining details without losing your place in the main document. It's almost like having a digital magnifying glass in your hand. So there you have it. Several easy ways to zoom in your PDFs with Adobe Acrobat, whether you need a gentle size boost or an ultra-close look at the fine print. Take these techniques and use them whenever you hit those "I can't read this" moments. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps out. Drop your questions or favorite Zoom tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly how-tos, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.